Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel and I hope this video meets you well at this time. In this video, I will show you step by step on how to make money as a virtual caregiver. So you might be wondering what virtual caregiver is. In this video, I'll be giving you a breakdown of what a virtual caregiver is and how you can become one and make money remotely from anywhere. Okay, so without further ado, let's jump right to the video. If you are coming across my channel for the first time, welcome. And if you are coming to my channel as a returning viewer, welcome back. If you've not subscribed to this channel, please go ahead and click the subscribe button, turn on post notification so that when I make videos centered around making money on the internet, you will be the first person to be involved or to be notified via YouTube on your phone. Okay, so now what is virtual caregiver? Virtual caregiver is basically you giving care to children or to adults. So I'll be giving you two examples of people that you can give care to right now. People hire caregiver because they need someone to care for their kid. Okay, this became popular during the COVID-19 when the lockdown was going on. A lot of people need people who will care for their child virtually. So while most people go to work, most of the time people also hire caregiver to look after their parents. So maybe their aged parents who needs assistance. So virtual caregiving become popular, like I said, during the pandemic, and it keep growing day by day. So what you need to know about virtual caregiver is virtual caregiver means giving face-to-face care to children or adults or parents. So what you do is you give care to parents or to child. Okay, let's use child now. You give care to children from the comfort of your home. So most people use face to face, FaceTime or Zoom to give care to children in other country or in other region or in other location that is very far from them. So now what you just need to do is go online, get some Cocomelon songs, then you play or you sing these songs with children and you are getting paid every hour. So this is very simple. So now I will be showing you how you can apply or how you can become a virtual giver and work remotely giving care to children and adults. So in 4 simple steps or in 4 different ways, I'll be taking you through step by step. Now, the first step or the first platform or the first website you can use to become a virtual caregiver today is urbancity.com. As you can see on your screen, urbancity.com. So if you go to urbancity.com, so let's jump right onto my browser and see this together how you can become a virtual caregiver with urbancity.com. So right here on my computer screen, I have with me urbancita.com. So as you can see, Urbancita is a childcare company. Okay, so I'll click on this. Then when I click on this, then I want to go with the first one right here. So when I click on that one, you see what we are going to see right now. Okay, it says tried, true, and trusted caregivers. 2005 review counting. That's why families trust Urban Sitter to find a babysitter, nanny tutor, pet sitter, or senior care companion. Now you can see that Urban Sitter is one of the platforms that you can use to become a babysitter or a nanny or a tutor or homework helper, household service, pet care, senior care person. So what you need to do right now is you can see we have two options right here. We have two options right here. So the first option says find care. So these are the people that are looking for virtual caregiver. So what you want to do is you don't want to click on find care because you are looking to apply as a virtual caregiver. Now, If you are looking for a virtual caregiver, then you can click on find care. But if you want to apply as a virtual caregiver, then you can click on apply to job. Okay, so when you click on that, it will take you to a page whereby you can quickly sign up. Okay, so it says, are you hiring a caregiver instead? So if you mistakenly click on apply for job and you want to return back, so you can quickly click on this. But if you find great sitter and nanny job easy, then you can apply from here. So you just fill in your correct information, and you can also sign up with your Facebook profile, or you can sign up with Google right here. Okay, so this is urbansitter.com for you. Okay, guys, don't forget to click the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so that you can be aware when I drop a new content right on this channel. So let's go to the second platform that you can use as a virtual caregiver. Now, the second platform you can use is vb.sharetribe.com. Okay, VB is also an online caregiving or virtual caregiving platform. So you can use this platform to give care to people, children virtually. So right now, before we look at VB platform, I want to share with you a marketplace where you can sell your product and services, which is a Me Marketplace. Me Marketplace is an online marketplace for your product and services where you can showcase your product and services and sell to people globally or locally in your environment. Okay, right here on Me Marketplace, you can showcase your products and services as a vendor or as a seller. You can also purchase things online smartly as a buyer. Okay, so if you are looking for affiliate program that you want to jump on right now, Me Marketplace also have affiliate program that you can jump onto right now. So you might want to check them out. Is Me Market me.com.ng. Okay, so now let's check VB, then we'll continue from here. So right on my screen, so I will search for VB. When I search for VB, then what I want to look for is a VB platform where they use for their virtual babysitting business. So right here you can see we have vb.sharetribe.com. So like I show you on my other screen. So if I click on it, then you will see this. So I think VB Marketplace is on hold right now. Maybe they are doing some maintenance or some catch up. They are trying to do some things. So you can always go back to vb.sharetribe.com. So VB Marketplace is on hold right now. Okay, so you can always go back to check vb.com, vb.sharetribe.com. Okay, so let's look at it. Right now, the number two we have here is sittercity.com. Sittercity.com is also an online virtual giving platform. So let's quickly rush down now to sittercity.com to check out how we can quickly sign up as a virtual caregiver. Guys, don't forget, if you've not subscribed to this channel, please don't forget to click the subscribe button and turn on the bell notification so that you can be aware whenever I drop video around making money online on the internet. So right here, I'm going to open another tab. Then I'm going to put Sitter City. So right here, the first option we have right here is Sitter City. It says find local child senior pet giver provider that your family will love. Okay, so let's click on that. So right here it says meet sitters who love what your kid love. Okay, save up to 60% with our value plan. Okay, so if you scroll down, your sitter search made simple. So you post a job for free, sitter will apply to your job, then you start connecting with them via Face Connect, Zoom, and other video conferencing platforms. So you might want to check online what other people are using as a virtual caregiver. But what I've seen so far that people use is face-to-face Zoom, Google Meet, and a lot of them. So you don't have to have any complicated experience before you can become a virtual caregiver. So if you scroll down right here, you see how much you should pay for your babysitter or nanny. You can check all of this out yourself right on this platform. Okay, so let's scroll up right now. So right here you see find childcare. This is for people who are looking for virtual caregiver. Okay, then if you want to apply as a virtual caregiver, then you click on I'm a sitter. Okay, so what you just need to do is keep the baby busy online. Okay, you can just search for Cocomelon, row your boat gently down the stream, all of that. The wheel on the bus go round, 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 all of those. So you can just get to learn those songs and play it for children virtually, and you start making money. Okay, so when you click on I'm a sitter, then what do you have, right? So it's going to take you to the sitter account setup page. So from here you can set up your account, your first name, your last name, email, password, your permanent home address, then your phone number, your date of birth. I consider myself a babysitter, nanny, pet care provider, care companion, housekeeper. Okay, then you agree to this, then you click sign up. Okay, this is very simple. So guys, you start making a lot of money for yourself. So without talking too much, let's go to the number one. So the number one is being taken for a French word. Now the number one on my list right here is Ampere. Ampere is a French word, Ampere. Okay, so we are going to jump right back to our browser and search for ampere.com right now. Okay, so right here I'm going to open another tab and search for Ampere. Okay, so the first one we have right here is Ampere is the world best Ampere resources. More than 1 Ampere and host family have benefited since 1999, and you have free registration. Okay, so I'm going to click on that. So right here we have find your Ampere or your host family safe and easy. Okay, so you can see Ampere is a worldwide matching agency offering virtual caregiver. You can see online tutor, nanny, caregiver for elders, Ampere, living helps for seniors, language exchange, granny Ampere, live-in tutor. Okay, so what you want to apply for is say test your knowledge about Ampere program. Okay, so you can do the Ampere quiz and go ahead with your application. Okay, so how do you use Ampere? So these are how you can use Ampere. So let's scroll back up from here. It says find Ampere, that is find virtual caregiver, or you as a virtual caregiver find family that are looking for virtual caregiver. So you can register for free as family, or you can register for free as candidate. So this is the same. Okay, so if you click on this register for free as a candidate, then you see what you see right here. So what you need to do first is you have to take the Ampere quiz. Okay, test your knowledge with these 7 quiz about Ampere program and figure out if the program is right for you. Okay, do you know what Ampere actually is and does? Yes, of course. Okay, great. So you can click on continue. You have to click on do you know if you can take part in the program? I hope you could tell me. Okay, continue. Do you know that Unpair.com is an online matching platform and not a full service agency? Yes, I do. Continue. Do you know how to meet candidates and host family on Unpair? Sure, I do. Okay. Do you know about all the steps a candidate or his family need to take? It's nice that you asked, but of course, I know that already. Good. Thank you, Ask. I've always wondered. So you want to click on this. Do you know any unpaid.com is free of charge for candidates? Yes, it's free for is for free. How cool is that? Yes, you explain it on your website. Okay. Do you know if you will need a visa? If so, how to apply for it? You can trick me with that. I'm an embassy expert. That's good one. I will need support with that. Okay. So if you are applying, if you are applying as a virtual caregiver, you don't need a visa or anything. So what you just need to do is you have to click on virtual caregiver right here. So yes, you have to click on virtual caregiver right here. So you don't need any visa to go anywhere. So you can do everything from your home. So it says virtual caregiver. So these are the things that you can choose to do. So you can decide that you want to be doing homework for students, drawing and cutting, mind games, just play game online, reading of books, numbers and counting like Cocomelon 1, 2, 3 in Cocomelon songs. You can see songs and poetry, art and craft, letter and sound. Okay, this is very easy enough. So guys, now that I've shown you how to become a virtual caregiver yourself step by step in 4 ways. So let's do a quick recap. So the first one I showed you was urbansita.com, then the second one is VB, then the third one is City, and the first one is Unpair. So now you don't have anything to delay you not to become a virtual caregiver and start making money for yourself. So if you've not subscribed to my channel, please, I beg your pardon, please kindly subscribe to this channel and don't forget to turn on the notification post so that you can be aware when I drop a new video centered around making money just like this. Okay, thank you very much and I will see you in the next video. Love you all.